Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, and we're also going to talk about BNB and how we nailed our basically 1,000% gain on BNB, worth around like a $30 to $40 accumulation. We talked about it back in January, early January, late December. We said buy BNB, and most likely sucker gonna be pumping all the way up to over 275 to $300 range, and we did that exactly. Okay, we got another massive breakout coming up over the next like a few days and so on. So we're going to take a look at those coins also, Tron, Tezos, Litecoin, XRP, and of course Ethereum. All right, so if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join our public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join, send premium for those 1,000% gain, guys. Crazy target in 3 weeks, guys, in 3 weeks. Okay, just about like the 7th, guys, I gave my weekly update regarding the macro view for BNB, and I was like, accumulate this sucker. Even if it drops down to 30 35 32, it is going to be a buy. Don't try to sell it, because we got a big move over $300 over the next few weeks. And guys, we even got it in February. So basically, if you want to get those 10%, not 10%, okay, if you want to get those 1,000% gain, make sure to join Send Premium so you can get those target, no leverage, just buy and huddle. But if you want to do too much in and out, Send Crypto might not be the right premium group for you. All right, but if you're looking to make some crazy gains, okay, in this bull run, you can definitely make those gains with the proper setup, proper macro view, and all of that good stuff. All right, so make sure to hit the likes and join my public Telegram group, right? So you can at least get my most recent setup in my public group. It is basically a one chain gonna basically explode. Okay, it is gonna explode better than BNB over the next like a few weeks. So keep an eye on one chain. That's not even just a premium group, it is a public target also, just like I told you about BNB. All right, so thanks a lot for tuning in, creator. We got KP in the house. Thanks a lot. Alex in the house. Oh, Alex is saying, what's your thought on one chain? Join my public Telegram group so you can see the target for one chain and all of that good stuff. Okay, Mr. Lin in the house. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Mr. or Miss Ash in the house. BNB, I think it is time to forget about BNB right now. If you did not buy it at $30, $40, when I talk about it in my public group and all of that good stuff, public live stream, I think it is kind of risky to buy it. I got a target over $700, but I think like the risk is pretty high right now. We got like other coins ready to 10x, so no need to be worried about BNB and all of that good stuff. It is time to take profits and let the rest run. Right, so Kendra's in the house, right? So let's go ahead and dive into the analysis for BTC, guys. So what we said regarding BTC, I gave you guys an analysis like a couple of days ago, right? I think when BTC was right around like 47, 49, right? And I was like, we're moving in a wedge pattern, and it is likely to break out to the upside. My upside target, guys, you knew it was like what, 53 to 56. We already at target range, so we upgraded our upside target right now to just about like a what, 659 to a 61 area. Okay, so it is likely to get a temporary rejection, just about 59 to a 61k area, and we're going to take a look at it once we hit our target. Once again, guys, we're nailing it, guys. No short position, we're not shorting the market. You can short the market if you want. Okay, I'm not saying it cannot drop, but the chance of the market going higher, it is very high. Okay, I'm not saying we're not gonna get rejected, BTC is not gonna drop back down and all of that good stuff. Okay, but what the macro scale is saying is like BTC is extremely bullish. Okay, so no need to basically try to be a hero and try to short the top, because bull market, you're not looking for the top, you're just looking for the direction. Okay, I don't care if 60k going to be the top, I don't care if basically 100k going to be the top. Okay, yes, the difference is big. But what I'm trying to say is like, I'm not trying to time the top. Okay, once again, I keep saying it, since like BTC was right here, most bulls, okay, they started to be bearish right here and calling for some crazy numbers. What I said was like, don't try to time the market, because if you time the market, most likely market gonna get you wrecked. Okay, so you've been looking for, you know, 24, 25 and all of that good stuff. I was like, okay, you can get it. However, sucker might not give it to you right way. Okay, sucker might not give it to you right away. All right. So and you can see, like, if you've been waiting for 24, you've been waiting for now, like, what, 24, right? Bits was 30K. Right now you have to buy at 55. Okay, it is just crazy. Okay, best thing to do, I think, just huddle, right? I don't think BTC is going to drop like 60% in one day. Okay, even if we see any big drop, it is going to reverse 50% again. All right, so I think best thing to do right now for the bulls is like just to suck it up. Okay, since like you've been bullish like for the entire move from 10K to 3K, when BTC was dropping and we're saying like BTC gonna keep dropping, most bulls been saying, oh, we're in a bull market, we're in a bull market, and now we're in a bull market. Most bulls want to basically see a price drop, so it doesn't make any sense, right? So I think like best thing to do once again is like just suck it up, okay, and wait for the, you know, the proper setup for a reversal. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna get at 60 to 61. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on a bigger picture, right? I'm gonna update a video regarding the 50-day cycle, hopefully tonight, because candle 50-day cycle gonna close today, guys. It's gonna close today, so it is going to be very, very interesting. So what we're looking at right now on you know, on Bitstamp, right? What we're seeing is like we're seeing a different you know, different correction from BTC. Okay, so if you take a look at it right here, you could say it is kind of like a similar correction right there, just different format, right? So, and we got similar correction right here. If you take a look at the move 1-to-1 extension to the upside, right, it is gonna basically beat our target. Okay, 1-to-1 extension, it is exactly just about like 56. That's one of the reasons we were expecting 56 like to 53. However, if you do it differently, right, if you take a look at it in a log scale perspective, swing high to swing low, once again to swing low right here, right, 1-to-1 extension, it is almost 75. Okay, 75K to 80K. Okay, on the log scale. Remember, guys, we did the same thing back then. I just have to repeat it, right? When BTC was at 20K, what we said was like, we're gonna hit what, 44 to 42, guys. No one was expecting 42K BTC back then, right? What we said was like, if we take a look at our previous measure move, we talked about it last time, so some of you guys pretty new to my content, right? So we just have to suck it up and talk about it again, right? So what we did was like 1-to-1 extension of the move right here, guys. We nailed it, guys, beautifully, guys, right here. Okay, that move, okay, if we extend it to the upside, the same measure move, okay, gonna take us where? Right here, 44 to 42, guys. We nailed it beautifully. Okay, so the same exact measure move also, guys, if you extend it, it is almost, guys, right here. That's going to be extension 2, right? That's going to be extension 2. Let's do this. Let me remove this sucker, asking you to smash the likes. Okay, so if you really wanna be patient, right, you could basically suck it up all the way up to 80,000. Once again, it's not gonna get to 80,000 like in one go, right? So it might get to 80,000 like by next quarter or something like that, right? But the directional move, that's what I'm saying. Like, even if we get another correction right here, we know the directional move over the next like a few weeks, it is going to be 80K. And 80K, we could get another correction just like that. Okay, or another correction just like that. You know, it is going to correct in time, and it's going to correct in price action, right? So it means like we could see a big, you know, potential flat or triangular formation at or around like a 80K area. Okay, a beautiful clean directional move, no noise. Okay, guys, I don't see anything crazy right now. You take a look at the 2-day time frame. I show it to you guys right here. Take a look at it right there, right? It is we had a low volume, sell volume right here. Okay, that's what we said, and we had another one right here. Okay, beautiful sell volume. Beautiful sell volume. It is beautiful because it is low and we're in a bull market, right? So 0.618 extension basically going to confirm our target right here once again, guys. So different view, okay, all of them calling for what? Different views, okay, all of them calling for what? Same targets, okay, 59 to 60, 61, and after that we're going to be looking for 80K target, right? So let me check the chat room again. Yeah, so basically guys, just to summarize it, right, we're going to be looking for 59 to 61, and once we hit our target, I'm going to give you guys another update. So make sure to join my public Telegram group just in case we do not have a public live stream and all of that good stuff, so I can give you guys an update, right? So now let's go ahead and talk about the macro scale. So the macro scale, what we got right now, we're going to start off on the 3 weeks time frame, right? The 3 weeks time frame, guys, as I said, it is very bullish. Okay, I talk about the 3 weeks time frame, like the first candle of the year, right? The first 3 weeks of the year, what we said was like, even though BTC got rejected right here, it is actually very bullish rejection. Okay, most people, most people, were bearish back then when BTC was at 28-30K. I was like, we're gonna be pumping to the upside, and you can see like we even broke above like the rejection area at 42K. Right now, the current 3 weeks time frame gonna close like just about like this one open like the 12th, so you're looking at like the 5th, something like that. Okay, we're gonna close this candle right just about like the 5th or so, right? So keep that in mind. So it is very small, so it means like the potential of the potential to see higher prices over the next like a few weeks, it is very high. Okay, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin at all, guys. Even though it is above 50K, I'm more bullish on Bitcoin right now than when it was like 40K. Okay, because the macro scale is very bullish. Okay, sucker is not gonna drop anytime soon. Okay, I mean it could, okay, but it is not something I'm looking forward to. Okay, a potential rejection yet, right? Should I keep my BNB or should I sell? I mean, let's see, we're gonna talk about BNB later on. I mean, I don't see a blow off top anytime soon, guys. Sucker gonna move slowly to the upside, right? So let's take a look at the Hackenashi, guys. I showed you back then why BTC, okay, a couple of weeks ago, last month, I said it. You take a look at the Hackenashi on the 3 weeks chart, guys. Sucker is pretty bullish. Okay, no sign of reversal yet. Okay, as I showed you back then, back in when BTC was like right around like 3K area back in 2018, right, early 2019, on the weekly basis, when people were looking for like 1800, what I was saying was like the weekly time frame for BTC on the Hackenashi, right, was actually very bullish right here. So volume was decreasing, price was increasing, but on the Hackenashi, guys, I didn't see any tails. Okay, everything was pretty smooth, so I was like, we're gonna be breaking out to the upside up to 5500. Same thing, guys, right here a couple of weeks ago, last month, when BTC was actually pumping to the upside above like a 39 40K. I was saying like, no sign of reversal. Sucker most likely going to be continuing to pump to the upside. You take a look at the Hackenashi, we got the structure we got back then up to 40K, similar structure. Okay, no red candle after we broke above like a all-time high on the Hackenashi, right? Beautiful setup, guys. Beautiful setup. It is likely to go much higher, guys. So let's take a look at the 50-day cycle right now. So the 50-day cycle, as you can see, as we said also on the Hackenashi, right, no sign of reversal yet, and candle gonna open like just about 28 right now. Okay, remember what I told you about the Hackenashi. Okay, the opening candle going to be 50% of the body candle, Do you see what I'm saying? So for instance, right now, if we close at 55K, okay, the Heikenhashi price right now, it is just about 41,000. So we're going to open just about like right here, okay, 50% of the body candle. So if we open at 50% of the body candle, right, I don't see like BTC dropping down to retest like 18K, which is like the previous candle, the previous 50-day candle low. You see what I'm saying? So it is very, very bullish, guys. So I don't know what to say about the bearishness, because I don't see anything bearish right now. Can we discover some bearishness like within the next few weeks and so on? Yes, but as of now, okay, February 19th, right, BTC is extremely bullish. Okay, so one thing we just have to be cautious about, like regarding the bearishness, is like this candle gonna close like when? Today. Okay, so it means like if we take a look at it on the regular basis, right, the regular candle, it is likely, okay, we're gonna see some sell-off at some point within the next candle. Okay, I just don't know when, right, but we likely to basically see like potentially see some profit taken within the next 50 days. Okay, are we gonna break like 50% of this body candle? We're gonna take a look at it. I don't know yet, but we're most likely gonna see some selling pressure over the next like few weeks and so on. But it is just going to be a correction. Okay, it's not going to be like a reversal, at least in the short term, right? Hey, what's up, Ahmed? Hey, San, make sure to, Ahmed is saying, hurry up, San. We want to know which coin is going to 1000x next. You want to know which coin is going to 1000x next, guys? Make sure to join San Premium, guys. Make sure to join San Premium. San Crypto is one of the best, okay, macro analysts right now in the crypto space, guys. We're giving you guys crazy macro targets, okay? Crazy, not just on BTC, but on alt, guys. It's when Binance was at $30 to $40, guys, you just go ahead and show me who was calling for $300 Binance, okay, 3 weeks ago. Okay, no one was calling for $300. Only some crypto was saying buy this sucker because we got target at 300. Don't sell it, okay? Do not sell anything below 150 and all of that good stuff, okay? Even though 150 was 5x, we were still very, very bullish. I was making sure to update my guys, saying, guys, lock your Binance because we got some crazy prices, okay? Like basically don't sell them, okay? So 50-day cycle, very bullish. We're about to break 56, so likely to break above 60k. It is we're likely to break above 60k, okay? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum, okay? So we're going to talk about Ethereum next, and then we're going to talk about Binance and what I think about Binance regarding our next upside target, right? So Ethereum, I'm just going to focus on the macro scale. I'm not going to talk about the lower degree because we already know you guys already know I'm bullish on Ether, right? And we're looking for 22 to 23, okay? So, but one thing we just have to, even though we're looking for 22 to 23, we're just not going to basically focus on 22 to 23. If you focus on the macro scale right here, guys, right there, okay, you see like whenever we break our 50-day cycle of resistance, right, which was like whenever we break our 50-day cycle, we tend to basically look for like up to 1-to-1 extension to the upside. Okay, it means like if we do a swing low right here, right, to swing high right there, another swing low right there, right, 1-to-1 extension to the upside for Ether. We already talked about it, guys. It is almost 10k right there. Okay, it is almost 10k, just like Binance, right? 10k, that's 1-to-1 extension. However, we're not gonna get there in one go. I don't think that we're gonna get to 10k like in March or like a February. It could be like before the summer, right? But we could pay attention to like a $3,000, 3,100, right here, 3169. That's going to be next resistance on the macro scale, right? And after that, we could look for 4224. Okay, so remember, guys, we talked about 2382, right? Before even like Ether was like above like a 1500. You remember, guys, 2382 was our target, we likely to hit 2382, right? Next target after that, it is going to be 3169, and after that we're going to be looking for 4224, right? Once we break above a resistance right here, right, we're going to take a look at it. Okay, we're going to take a look at it, because next target after that, it is basically 6,000. All right, so, and all of that good stuff, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 3 weeks time frame. The 3 weeks time frame, it looks pretty juicy. Same thing as the 50-day cycle. Already broke also the all-time high, which was like a 1040, 1044, something like that, right? So now we closing, you know, we're getting like third closing by the candle above all-time high on the 3 weeks time frame. The volume is pretty low. It means like, you know, we're gonna get high volume over the next like a few weeks and so on. So keep an eye on Ethereum. Within the next like, you know, 10 to 15 days, we could get a big move up to basically a 3,000 to 4,000 area. So Ethereum right now, a pretty good hold, right? We've been bullish on Ethereum since like, guys, $300 to $400. We've been bullish on Ethereum. Okay, we've been bullish on Ethereum. So, and I'm still bullish on Ethereum. We could see $15,000 Ethereum, guys, over the next, basically over the next like a few months and so on, right? So let's just keep that in mind. So let's do this. We already brought the extension 2. So we already brought the extension 2. Yeah, Ethereum is extremely bullish, guys. So yeah, thanks a lot, Craig. You get the combo with Send Crypto. Thanks a lot, Sweet Canary. I'm giving you guys the best target, guys. You're getting this target for free, right? I mean, you know, you're getting like public target for free. Yes, you know, you can join the you can definitely join my you know, you can definitely join my premium group to get the juicier targets. But the juicier target, even my public group, are getting juicy target. Okay, like I gave you guys a Digibyte, okay, ICX, okay, I showed you ICX. Kava, guys, I showed you Kava when Kava was like a what, $1.30, $1.80, right? And right now Kava, it is like $5, and I got a target over like $10, right? $15. Okay, SXP, guys, SXP, we talked about it when SXP was like what, guys? Tell me, 60 cents, 80 cents, guys. Told you, accumulate SXP. Sucker gonna pump all the way up to $15. So you know, but yeah, most people are not patient enough to see those targets. Sushi, guys, we nailed sushi from like 50 cents, guys. 50 cents. Okay, right now sushi, it is still around like $15, $14, guys. So if you want to get those targets, right, make sure to join the premium group so you can get those macro targets where you basically go into 10, 20, 30, 50x your money just by sitting tight and relax. Okay, and enjoy the ride, right? Link is above $35 right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at let me see you get. Let's go ahead and take a look at Binance. So Binance, we're just gonna focus on the macro scale. I'm not gonna be talking about short-term target and all of that good stuff because I don't have any. Right now, all I got is a macro target for Binance. So already broke this level. To this. If you want to do a if you want to do like a, you know, a 1.618 extension, a 1.27 extension for Binance, you would be looking for nearly right here to the upside. Okay, next level, it is almost like 666, guys, so that's not good. Okay, so based on the extension, right, like 1.27 extension of the previous bull market from like 50 cents to $25, right, drop down to $3. If you want to do that extension, you can also do it that way. Okay, but your 1.618 extension going to be very very aggressive. It is almost like at $2,600. Okay, so can Binance hit $2,000? Yes, it can, right? It can hit $2,000. So you just have to be patient. I'm not sure if like we're gonna hit it this bull run, right? But it can definitely hit $2,000. Okay, so best thing to do, guys, once again, I was very bullish on Binance right here. I told you guys late December, early January, sucker gonna break out, and once we get the breakout, it's gonna move very fast. It's gonna move very, very fast. It's not gonna give you time to think, do all that scalping and all of that good stuff. It's not gonna let you do that. Okay, you just have to suck it up and hold on to it. Okay, it's not gonna drop right back down to 36 like in 1 week and all of that good stuff, right? It's not gonna do that, right? So even if we drop, we're gonna get a double tap. You see, we're very good at understanding like a correction. So even if it drops, you just have to suck it up and wait for a reversal up to 350, and then you're gonna get out. But as of now, we wait for above like a $600-700, and then we're gonna look for a potential move all the way up above like $1,000, right? Pretty bullish, man. The chart is bullish. The chart is beautiful. The chart is crazy, man. I think like the next thing to give us a big move like this going to be either, all right, could be Tezos, Tron, XRP, or Litecoin, all right, and EOS. Those 5 coins, they're all top coins. Okay, they're all top coins, but we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna see which one gonna break out first, because they all bullish right now, so you just don't know which one gonna be breaking out. Okay, you just don't know which one gonna be breaking out exactly. What's wrong with the Binance website? I don't know. I know I tried to swap some Tron from like the futures to the spot, but it wasn't letting me do it. Okay, so, and that's the last time I used it. It was like a couple hours ago. But most people are complaining regarding the Binance thing, right? Hey, what's up, Jerome? If I wasn't broke, I would join your. I mean, you got a lot of premium group out there, charging $100 to $200. You can definitely join. But hey, what's up, 666 MEF? Okay, man, I'm waiting for my Tesla, right? When ETHEREUM hits $10, okay? Hey, what's up, Mac1? My thought on VET. Is this sucker gonna break out? I mean, we talk about VET, it already broke out. We talked about VET when it was like 2 cents, 2.5 cents. I gave you a big warning, so just have to be patient, man. If you want to basically want to 10x your holding in like 1 day, 2 days, you're likely to get wrecked, because you're gonna be doing too much in and out. VET is extremely bullish, so we could hit 18 cents very soon. So yeah, XLM is about to do some good stuff, so it is still a good hold. Uniswap, we're gonna talk about Uniswap. We're gonna talk about Uniswap. So guys, let's go ahead and talk about Tron. So TRX USD, it is likely to do some good stuff very soon, right? I already if you take a look at Tron on the macro view, guys, it looks pretty nice, breaking above resistance. The resistance I'm looking at right now, it is the May June 2019 resistance right here. Remember when Bitcoin was at 20k, not 20k, 14k back in June 19, right? June 24th. You know, everything basically dropped after that also, right? Now we broke that resistance right here on the 3 weeks time frame, right? And we're looking to break above like 8 cents on the 3 weeks time frame. So if like we can break above 8 cents, right, 8 to 9 cents over the next like a few weeks, we could see another BNB over the next like a few weeks. Okay, so resistance to really we really need to break above, right? It is going to be 8 to 9 cents. Okay, 8 to 9 cents going to give us a nice parabolic move. On the 50-day cycle, it is saying like we already started the bull run, right? Just to get a confirmation, you know, we could just wait for a close above like 8 to 9 cents just to get the confirmation. That's the same setup we talked about regarding BNB back in December, early January, when BNB was at 30 cents. Okay, we said 30 cents, $30. Okay, we said if we break above this level, okay, it is gonna go parabolic. Bang. Okay, so and you can see like the target we're going to be looking for to the upside up to $1, right? Right now we under like 6 cents and all of that good stuff, right? So Tron looks pretty juicy. All right, let's take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin similarly, all right, already broke above resistance right here, but it was an all-time high. Okay, it's not like we broke all-time high on the 50-day cycle, right? So but closing above like a 300, I said it, guys, if we close above $300 Litecoin, okay, if we close above $300 Litecoin, guys, it is like you will never see Litecoin below $300. Okay, so you take it as it is, right? You take it however you want to take it, right? But Litecoin is going to be very bullish if we get a close above $300. It doesn't mean, once again, you have to wait for it to close above $300. But all I'm saying is, it is not a good. It won't be a good time to be selling Litecoin right here. Okay, right here. It won't be a good time to be selling. I think best thing to do, just suck it up, right? Even if we do the same thing, okay, with BNB, if we just do a 1-to-1 extension to the upside for Litecoin, we could be looking for, guys, just to be conservative. Okay, we're not even going to be looking for 1-to-1, right? But just to be conservative, right, 80% extension going to be roughly around like 2300, right? We talked about 23,550, right? 2352. So we already talked about it on Poloniex. So just to be conservative, guys, not even 1-to-1. 1-to-1 going to be 4,000. Okay, 1-to-1 going to be 4,000. So we could be looking for up to $2,000 Litecoin. So pretty bullish, pretty accumulative. Right now it is not even accumulative. It is on an uptrend. It is like you just have to buy every dip. Okay, not financial advice, right? But the volume looks pretty nice, pretty steady. Increase in volume. Bang. Okay, bang right here. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. So Litecoin is the macro view for Litecoin. Oh man, I just got $22,000 tips. Hey, thanks a lot, Kendris. Thanks a lot, man. So thanks a lot, Jason. Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. Yes, Jerome, don't do any not financial advice, but avoid the in and out. The best time to do in and out is like during the bear market. You can do leverage, you can short the market, long the market, do whatever you want. But when the market is moving like in full speed, best thing to do, guys, is just get out the way. Just get out the way. Don't do anything. I mean, you're gonna do something, but you have to basically pay attention to the macro view. For instance, when a coin pump like 10%, you don't want to be jumping in and out, taking profit 10% here and all of that good stuff, and you're gonna miss the next 40-50% move, right? And all of that good stuff. So pay attention to the weekly, 3 weeks, 50-day cycle. At least, the lowest time frame you should be trading right now, it is going to be the 2-day time frame. Okay, the 6 hour, 8 hour gonna give you a good guidance, right? How to basically get in, get out, and all of that good stuff, and to time the market. Try to time the market, but the higher, the higher time frame going to give you the best gains. Okay, and that's what we've been doing in my premium, and we've been doing extremely well. Okay, extremely well with little or no leverage at all. Okay, so yeah, let the market do the work. You should not be doing any work. Okay, you should not be doing any work. The pi cycle in BTC is scary close. Okay, so one thing, guys, we talk about the pi cycle. We just have to understand, guys, we just have to understand something. Hey, what's up, Jason? Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for the tip, man. Thanks a lot. Just got $50,000 worth of Bitcoin from Jason. Farouk Adam says, thanks a lot, Sen. Great analysis as always. Thanks a lot, Farouk. Yeah. Let's see. Successful crypto investor. Hello, Sen. Is there any chance we will see NEO at $300? We will see NEO over $500, man. So just go ahead and watch my NEO target at 250, right? So we're definitely going to see NEO 250 this year, okay? I mean, it is not guaranteed, but the chart is very, very bullish. Once we break $80, $75 range, sucker could be going to the moon with a free ticket, right? So BZRX is driving me nuts. BZRX, I mean, I told you about BZRX when it was 15 cents. We got target over like a 160. That's a 10x move. It's not a, if it drives you crazy, it's like you just in a hurry, right? You just have to be patient, right? It's a 10x move. I just call on that one, right? Hey, what's up, Imran Mansouri? Thanks a lot for tuning in. He says, I'm hooked. That's the first time I'm watching Sen Crypto. It's so amazing. I'm going to be coming back every single day. Thanks a lot, man. Just hit the like, subscribe, join my public Telegram group. You get free targets, okay? I just sent the one chain target. It is likely to go crazy over the next few weeks, all right? I'm just going to give you one tip, guys. One chain, ICX, Aeon, they got similar structure. They move together, okay? You just have to understand what's going on, right? They're all going to be, moving around like 10,000, 12,000 sats over the next few weeks, okay? So one chain, ICX, and Aeon, right? They move together, right? All right. So one thing you have to understand, 666 is like the current market cycle. The current market cycle is different, okay? Back in 2017, we weren't doing like a lot of leveraging and all of that good stuff, right? Right now it is kind of different. So I'm not sure if the pi cycle going to be successful this time, okay? So let's just see, right, over the next few weeks if the pi cycle going to be correct again, right? So let's go back to BTC, right? Because I saw something like very, very important regarding a potential bear setup, but I didn't want to talk about it, but I just have to suck it up, right? So the potential bear setup I see on BTC is like, it is going to be in terms of timing, not in terms of pricing, right? What I mean in terms of pricing, but I mean like in terms of price, right? You take a look at right here on the 50-day cycle, we close above the 21 EMA back in like October 28th, right? 2015. Okay, remember guys, when I was talking about October 28th right here, I was like, if we close above 10.5 by October 28th, 2020, we're most likely going to be pumping very, very hard, right? Same thing right here. So, and basically cycle ended like after the October 28th candle, right? The 50-day cycle, the October 28th, 2017. So if you take a look at it, it is like a 2 years of a bull trend, okay? Above the 21 EMA, up to the bull market peak was like 2 years, okay? October 28th, 2015, October 28th, 2017. You see what I'm saying? The candle open, Okay, candle open above the 21 EMA. If you take a look at it right here also, right there. So we opened this cycle at like April 11th. Okay, remember the BTC breakout back in like back in April 20th 2019. Actually, we closed above it like back in February 20th 2019 right here. I think candle closed above it right here. Let's double check. 51.28 candle close. Yeah, we close above it right here. Okay, but we got a clean breakout like April 11. Okay, the April 11 candle, so we're just gonna use that one, right? So April 11 to April 11, right? That's going to be another 2 years, right? You see what I'm saying? So I'm not sure, okay guys, I'm not sure, right, if we're just gonna get a 2 years bull market right here and another 2 years bull market right there. That's the only potential bear setup in terms of like a timing. That's the only potential bear setup I can find right now. I just don't know, so we just have to wait till we close the next candle, right? Just about like the summer, okay, because next candle gonna open like April 7th, okay, after we open the current candle, like not after we open the current candle, but after we open the February 20th candle, right? That candle gonna close April 10th, okay, and we're gonna open another candle April 11th. Okay, that candle gonna close sometime in June, right? So we could see a potential bearish setup by the summer. I'm not sure if it is going to be a reversal or if it is just going to be a rejection. I don't know, okay, but it will be a 2 years bull market above the 21 EMA. Okay, it will be a 2 years bull market above the 50-day 21 EMA. That's all I need to needed to basically clarify regarding a potential reversal sometime during the summer, but it's not even sure if we're gonna get a reversal, right? Hey, what's up, Darius? No correction for BTC, just going up and up and up. That's what it is saying right now. Hold on guys, 1 second. Yeah, I mean, it's just going up and up and up. We likely to see a 100k BTC by the summer, because if you take a look at it, guys, if we're gonna be expecting like 350k BTC, okay, before December, it is likely to be we likely to see a 50k BTC every 50 days. Okay, it means like we're gonna go up 50k every 50 days because we got 750 days candle in a year. So if you're gonna pump like 50k every 50 days, that's over like a 350k, right? So something to keep in mind. It means like before the summer we're likely to hit 100k. Okay, we're likely to hit 100k if we do not see any rejection, of course, right? It's not guaranteed. So 50k BTC every 50 days. So it means like BTC going to be going up $1,000 every day. Okay, $1,000 on average every day. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Tezos, guys, because you guys know I'm very, very bullish on XTZ. Take a look at it on Bitfinex. Okay, so Tezos, what we said, guys, I told you guys when Tezos was at $2, okay, $2, guys, that's when we said buy Tezos right here. Okay, it is already over like nearly $5, right? So our macro target for Tezos, it is like almost at $16, guys. So that's crazy, guys. It is crazy. It is only, you know, you only can find these targets, right, from Send Crypto. Okay, so and we updated this target like the same day we updated BNB. So we updated BNB, Tezos, EOS, and XRP, all macro target. Already nailed BNB. So next one, it is going to be you know, we could be potentially be looking for a Tezos macro breakout all the way up to 15 to you know, $15 range. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. Beautiful setup right here. We said buy the dip right here, so Tezos going to be breaking out. Okay, so it is a new trend. Any dips right now, it is going to be a buy. So I'm pretty heavy on Tezos. It is one of my most bullish setup right now, so let's just keep an eye on it. I just don't know when we're gonna get the breakout. It is already breaking out. What I mean, like when we're gonna get to $16, I just don't know. It could be by the summer, it could be next week, it could be, you know, today too, right? So I just don't know, but the directional move is there. Okay, Tezos up to $16. You know, $16 just going to be a temporary rejection. All right, but we got, you know, target above like $50, but we want to see what type of a reaction we're going to get, just about like a $15 to a $20 range. All right, and after that we're going to update our next target to the upside, right? So keep an eye on Tezos, right? So guys, I'm just gonna take your request, right? So let me know what you wanna, you know, what you wanna basically talk about, and then you know, we're gonna basically be taking chart requests and go from there, right? So same thing with Atom. Atom, guys, you know, I told you back in December right here, accumulate some Atom, right? Because I was watching the 50-day cycle. I was like, we're gonna hit $13, and as soon as we hit $13, we upgraded our target up to $30, guys. $30 Atom going to be one-to-one extension move to the upside. So the move from right here, like a $1, right, up to basically right here, right? And you know, one-to-one extension going to be $30. So after that, we could be looking for 1.618 extension. For Atom, it is like $100, guys, 112. So guys, sucker is very bullish, and I told you guys, you only get these macro targets from Send Crypto, no one else. Okay, everyone else gonna show you like 30% breakout, 15% breakouts, and all of that good stuff, guys. I'm giving you the macro picture, man. Macro picture, that's what you get during the bear market and during the bull market. During the bear market, guys, when BTC was 14K, guys, 13K, I was calling for 3K BTC. Okay, when Ethereum was like 350, I was calling for $80 Ethereum. Okay, so you just don't get these macro targets on during the bull run. During the bear market, come back and see Send Crypto. He's gonna give you some crazy targets too, right? So FTM CRO. Okay, FTM CRO, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at FTM. So FTM, it was one of my top pick. It is still one of my top pick, right? So it was one of my top pick back in June before it 10x. Guys, we 10x so many coins, right? It 10x so many coins. It's about to break out, okay? It's about to break out. So but the thing is, like, it already retested August high, so I wouldn't be too bullish on it, right? So if you did not buy at 40 sats, right, or even like 100 sats, right now it is aggressive to be buying. Could you hold it? Yes. Okay, but it already basically got the job done. It could be correcting for the next like a few weeks, few months. You see what I'm saying? Because it already gave you guys right here a 1400% move. Okay, that's nearly 15x, right? So I wouldn't be too bullish on it right now. Just huddle it and not try to day trade it and all of that good stuff. But it is making a bull flag, could retest the top, right? But we were bullish on it right here, right there. That's when we were bullish on it. Right here, it dipped down to $40, 40 sats. We said, you know, 40, 47. We said FTM is a buy, and as soon as it hit 100 sats again, we said it is back to our entry point, original, our main entry point. It is now time to pay attention to it again, because it is about to give us a big move, right? CRO is not moving. I think best thing to do is just, like I said, wait for it to give us a better correction. It actually broke out, right? It actually broke out right here. So we knew it is gonna break out. We just don't know at, you know, when we're gonna get the breakout, right? So right now it is breaking out. So best thing to do is just hold it and see what type of correction you're gonna get. So next resistance, it is almost like 300, and then after that it is going to be 400, right? So pretty bullish setup overall, right? Pretty bullish setup. So we talked about it in details last time, right? So DOS juicy, I don't know DOS network, but let's take a look at it. You got 5,000 Tezos. What would you recommend? I don't know. I mean, some people got 1 million Tezos, right? So I don't know. Some people got 1 Tezos. You just you know, do your own, you know, your own research, and make sure to handle your Tezos well. That's it. DOS BTC. Poloniex. Let's check it on Poloniex. Yeah, I mean, it is breaking out, so best thing to do is just hold on to it right here. Okay, so it is breaking out, so the correction is done, right? So likely to go much higher. Right now it's at 13 cents, right? Yeah, XRP. I mean, XRP. Yeah, I'm watching XRP BTC right now. I think it is best thing to do is just huddle XRP. The chart is not tradable right now. Trying to trade XRP right now, it is just going to give you a heart attack, okay? It's going to give you a heart attack. So I tried to explain to you guys, and I said clearly, best thing to do, right? XRP could go up. However, best thing to do, wait for a potential divergence. It means that we could see, you know, a bullish divergence on a 2-day basis. We talked about it back then, back in January, early January, when XRP was right here. I said, the first move, don't get too excited. It's going to come back down. When we get the retest of the bottom, look for a divergence on your 2-day basis, right? If we get it, the next move might not be a fake out. It could be the big parabolic move, right? So let's see. Okay, it is still in play, right? It is still in play. So let's see if we're going to get the double move right here. Okay, the double crossover. That's what we want to see, right? So it means BTC going to be going up, and XRP either going to be dropping in dollar and also in BTC pair, right? And I mean in dollar and also versus BTC, and then it is going to give us the parabolic move, right? That's the best possible scenario I see right now for XRP. I'm not saying to sell it. All I'm saying is to hold it. Okay, yes, it can drop versus BTC, but it might not drop versus a dollar. Do you see what I'm saying? Because XRP right now, it is what? It is just about like 55 cents, right? BTC can pump to 100K, and XRP only going to pump like to 75 cents. It means like XRP BTC has to drop. Do you see what I'm saying? So XRP USD can still go up, but it is not going to go up as fast as BTC. Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Hey, what's up, Strengths? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Raiden Network. So so RDN could start a new uptrend. I do have a target up to like a 4,000, 4,500 to 4,600 range. Beautiful divergence right here. You see like the divergence we got right here. That's what you want to see on XRP on a 2-day basis, right? Versus BTC right there. And we could start like to speculate a parabolic move, right? So but RDN, we could see another move back to 4,000. Right now it is just about like under 1,000, right? So just need to break above the 100 EMA. Dot. So USDT, it is ready to hit our target, but I think it is still going to be a hold. I wouldn't be messing with DOT right now unless you're doing a short-term trading. And I said it when DOT was right here, $10, right? $9. We said we're gonna pump all the way up to $26. You only get those type of setups from Send Crypto, guys. DOT was right here. What we called for $15, guys. Okay, $15 dropped down to like a $7, $8. We said let's take it to 26, guys. Only Send Crypto gonna give you these macro targets, right? I'm gonna update DOT next, right? Once we break above 35, it is likely to break above 35, right? So within the next couple of days, I'm gonna take a look at the chart again, right? But because it doesn't have enough history, so it is kind of very difficult to get upside targets. But we've been managing our targets very well, from $4 to $15, right? From $15 to 26, and 26 we're gonna be looking for another crazy one, right, to the upside. Okay, DOT, it is still a good hold. I wouldn't be messing with it, not even trying to sell it right now. Okay, I'm short-term target, yes, 35, but it is not like a macro sell target. Sucker could go to $100, right? So Method Man in the house. Let's go ahead and take a look at Verge. Verge BTC is still climbing, right? As we said, I think it was like back in November when Verge pumped right here. I think I told you, don't FOMO on this move, right? Wait for the retest right here, and you're gonna take it to the upside. That's exactly what we did, guys. That was like a 3-month analysis, guys. That was back in November, guys. Bang, December, January, February, almost, guys, 90 days. Okay, I told you we're gonna retest the bottom and we're gonna basically go to the upside, right? So we'd be looking for potentially 100 sats, right, over the next like a few weeks, right? It is still a good hold. Talking about Verge, we can also talk about PVIX, right? So PVIX also, could see some good moves over the next like a few days. All right, so keep an eye on PVIX also. You can always take a screenshot, guys. I'm pretty confident about my targets, about my setups, guys. So you can take a screenshot. I don't have to basically say a lot about PVIX, unless sometimes these privacy coins that you just have to be cautious just in case they get delisted and all of that good stuff. But we've been saying it for years. Right now they're gonna get delisted and all of that good stuff. They're still around, so that's why I was not bearish on Monero when they said we're gonna be delisting this privacy coin and all of that good stuff, right? Some people wanted to short these suckers. I was like, man, I'm not gonna short any assets, right, based on the news. Okay, based on some news, right? Well, I'm not gonna long any asset based on some news, right? That's the fastest way to get wrecked. Zilliqa. So Zilliqa BTC, it is starting to look choppy, but Zilliqa USD doesn't look bad just because BTC is so bullish, right? So so Zilliqa BTC is starting to look choppy, but not that bad. Okay, so it is still a pretty bullish on an uptrend. 273, 294 resistance, right? Broke above it, we're testing it. We just need to break 300 to 400 resistance, and that's it. We could be looking for 600 to 700 resistance, right? So excuse me, guys. VET BTC, it is still bullish. I told you when VET was like 60 sats, guys, right here. Said buy this sucker. It's gonna break out. Okay, it is just retesting the 100 EMA. Could drop and retest 21 EMA, the 21 EMA, and we're gonna be looking for 200 sats, right? Which is like, you know, over 100% move. The current price of VET in US dollar is like in USDT 5 cents. So we could be looking for 10 to 15 cents VET depending on BTC price. If BTC pump, if like we get a BTC pump to $80,000, right, which is nearly another 50% move, so you would be looking for VET almost like at 15 cents if you know, VET hits you know, 200 sats, right? So Wi-Fi, I got a target for Wi-Fi up to $80,000. I said it last time, guys. Remember when Wi-Fi was right here? We were doing a live stream. I explained to you guys we're gonna hit our $55,000, right? Wi-Fi was almost 27,000. Target was 55. That's a premium target. That's not even so you're getting premium targets, right? Next upside target it is going to be $80,000. Okay, $80,000. I'm gonna update the chart later on, but I already got the setup and everything, right? We talk about it live, okay, live update, right? So next upside target $80,000. But I will update the chart, right? We just need to break out above this resistance, right? 55,000, right? And then we're gonna basically take it to the moon. Thanks a lot, K-Slay. YouTube is not pushing my videos, so you know, it's hard to get a breakthrough sometimes, because YouTube is not basically you know, YouTube is giving me a hard time right now. Wi-Fi 2. So Wi-Fi 2 already above our target right here. Not sure if you guys remember when Wi-Fi was like 1800, we did a live update, right? We said we're gonna be pumping toward 10K, guys. So I gave you a special live update before Wi-Fi pumped to 3600, okay, 3700. Wi-Fi was 1800. We said we're gonna be pumping to 32, okay. 32 was first target. After that, we're gonna be looking for, guys, 4,000 and 6,000 and so on, right? It is on an uptrend. Beautiful breakout on a macro scale. 3-day breakout versus BTC looks pretty juicy. As you can see right here, versus BTC is not even breaking out yet versus BTC. Okay, it's not even breaking out. It can still drop back down and retest like 0.04. It is just going to give us another chance to reaccumulate before the next parabolic move, right? But Wi-Fi, it is a good hold for the next weeks, for the next few weeks. All right, successful trader. Thanks a lot. Dante, Dr. Mink. I'll go USDT. Thanks a lot, Enric Monero. Moreno. It's the same thing as Monero. That's it. Thanks a lot, Crypto Crew, Crypto Investor. Ivan in the house, just tuning in. Hey, Dr. Mank, we got an algo target in our premium, so you can definitely go ahead and check it. But let's check algo USDT. So yeah, algo after we got this big sell-off right here, what we said last week was like algo was very bullish. Okay, we got the same sell-off versus BTC, so that's when we said sucker basically going to be breaking out over the next like a few weeks and so on. So it created a channel breakout, so it can definitely retest like the 95 to 105 range. So just keep that in mind. It is just going to be an add-on, right? But as of now, it is very bullish. You know our target in our premium, so just check it. We got a target up to basically over $1.60 and all of that good stuff. So algo is still pretty bullish. Okay, if we break $1.60 to actually $1.70 to 2.2, right, 2.2, it is going to go parabolic, because next target it could be above like $5, right? Thanks a lot, Dr. Mink. Yeah, algo, we talked about algo last year, guys, back in August. That's when we started saying accumulate algo. Okay, yes, it did drop down. Okay, we basically been bullish on algo also, right? Just didn't talk about it much, but we've been very bullish on it right here. It did have a crazy resistance right around like a 40 cents, 55 cents, 56, but you can see like as soon as we broke above that range, 60 cents, it is just going smooth. It is moving smoothly, okay, to the upside. So very bullish, a very bullish pattern. So it is still a good hold. Could see like some crazy prices from algo. Okay, I think like $5-6 algo. It is pretty it is still pretty cheap, right? So if you pay attention to algo when it was like 20 cents, you take a look at $5-6, that's going to be 25x. Okay, so if you've been in our premium, we've been bullish on algo, especially algo BTC, right? Because algo BTC hasn't been doing anything really. Let's take a look at it on Coinbase, right? Yeah, algo BTC on Coinbase, I don't know why it's dropping. It looks pretty ugly on Coinbase. So versus BTC on Coinbase, it seems like we got more work to do right here. Okay, so the next move could be a channel, right? We don't know. It could be also a potential wedge pattern right here, a smaller one. So right, like that. So we just have to wait for algo BTC. We do have a target. Go check it. Oh, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Okay. Yeah, we have a target up to like a 5,000. Right. So if you take a look at it versus BTC on Coinbase, it looks pretty choppy, but on Binance looks pretty nice, right? Low volume, right? Price decreasing. 21 EMA right there, so it is likely to support the price just about 2,000. It means like BTC is about to pump hard, guys, because this sucker's gonna drop 20%, right, versus BTC. It means like BTC gonna pump at least 10%, right? So hey, what's up, K for Liberty? Riff. So Riff doesn't have enough history to do much of some charting on it, but it is back. Yeah, it is still a support, so it is okay. Even though it broke the support level, it is breaking it because BTC is pretty strong. But would give it like few more days to come from the breakdown, right? Give it a few more days to come from the breakdown. But if we break below the 100 EMA right here, we might just be looking for the support at 40 sats, right? So it looks like a 0.6182, 0.786 nearly right here, 0.786 right here, but 0.618 at 60 sats. So let's see what we're going to get at 60 sats first. It doesn't have enough history, so it is hard to do any macro analysis or anything on it. Yeah, we already talked about Tezos. Our target for Tezos, it is still the same, guys. We're looking for that breakout above $10, and we're basically going to take care of business after that. So if you're buying Binance right now at $300, you must not been watching Send Crypto when Binance was at $30, $40. I told you clearly, guys, when this sucker start pumping, it's not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop. All you do is just be watching the chart. That's all you can do. That's all you can do, guys. Nothing else. I told you, when XRP start pumping, most of you guys gonna be like, man, I should have bought at 25. I should have bought at 60 cents and all of that nonsense, right? Buy these suckers, man, when they're not moving. Don't buy them when they're moving, okay? I try to give you like good warnings, right? Early warnings, like weeks, month ahead, right? So you put like what, 50K, 100K on Binance at at $30, $40, guys. It's already 10x, guys, and you can flip that 10x into like XRP, ADA, Tezos, whatever you want to put it in. Just have to be patient, man. Just have to be patient. You don't have to hold like 100 coins. So Tezos, it is still bullish, okay? GRT. Yeah, GRT, it is still correcting right here. It is likely to break out, but no confirmation yet, right? Have to wait. Have to wait. So it looks like a bullish pattern so far, but just gotta give it some time to develop, okay? Yeah, give it some time, all right? It is likely to break out soon. That's an ugly triangle, but you get the concept right. BNB, boy. Just huddle it, man. Talk about Riff, BLZ. BLZ gonna break out. Just give it some time. It is one of our top pick also in our premium, so. Let's go back to BTC, guys. I think I talked about most of your coins, right? Bitcoin Cash broke out last night, but dropped right back down to that was our target. That's our target right here for Bitcoin Cash, but it is likely to break out much further later on, right? So yeah, it is likely to break out very, very soon. Yeah, we talked about the Bitcoin Cash macro target above like 5,000, 10,000 range. I think 5,000 to 10,000 is a big gap, but I would say 7,000 to $10,000. So I will make a hopefully I can find some time to make that a short term not a short term but a short video update regarding Bitcoin Cash to $7,000 to $10,000. Yeah, 88, it is just consolidating, so we'll just wait for it to consolidate. It is not bullish right now, short term versus BTC. So have to wait to see and see what type of correction we're gonna get back here. It could be also, you know, just like IOST, it could be a channel. It could be done also, right? If we break above this resistance, we could go higher, right? If we drop down here, we could retest our previous resistance, which is like you know, 1,400 sats, right? All right, let's go ahead and take a look at Tezos. Tezos XTZ slightly moving up, but not quite strong on a low degree, so still correcting, right? Still correcting right here. Satoshi calling once again. Let me pick up the phone, guys. Oh, he said I'll let you do the live stream. Okay. He probably wanna, you know, he probably wanna pump a BTC to 60K. That's why he's calling. Yeah, Tezos, let it move sideways, right? It is still bullish, just correcting right now. Hey, what's up, Stefan? Kibati, big up from Kenya. Thanks a lot for watching, Stefan. Okay, and see. I mean, KNC is still correcting, so yeah, it is done with the correction. Double bottom right here, so could be breaking out above $4. So let's see. What we said was like it could be it could go parabolic above this resistance level, and it did that exactly. So I don't know what's up with Ether. Let me know what's up with Ether. Why it's not breaking above 2K? Meow meow. Matt Carter. I'm in the Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. Tennessee, Cashville. Thanks a lot, Mr. Matt Carter. Thanks a lot for watching, man. Hey, KP, Miss Nashville, Miss Cashville, killing all these cryptos with her cash. 100x and everything. That's Miss KP. I'm pretty sure You guys can go anywhere, right? Nashville is pretty pretty snowy right now, right? So I mean, I don't know. I don't do any fundamental analysis, right? So it could be. I know the gas fee is pretty high, but it is gonna explode, guys. Just be patient, man. Like, just be patient, man. The thing is, some people wanna, even if Ether pumps to basically $4,000, most of you guys are gonna be like, man, when we gonna pump to 5,000? When we gonna pump to 6,000? You know, Ether was like $300, $400, guys, less than 90 days ago. Okay, so, and we were very bullish on it, so we just have to be very, very patient, right? And we can definitely take it over 10,000. Crypto coin. Let's see. I don't know. I don't trade Dogecoin, so why we? I mean, all those exchange tokens gonna break out. You, Robin, you in our premium. Okay, I gave you target for KNC, not KNC, but KCS. Okay, KuCoin share, right? Back in December at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at KuCoin share. BTC, we got crazy target for KuCoin share, guys. When no one was talking about KuCoin share, guys, right here, right? It is one of our top pick, right around like 2,000, guys. It is already 3x. We're looking for what, guys? Crazy target, man. It's gonna go crazy very soon. It's gonna go crazy, guys. You only get this target from Cent Crypto. I don't care about the asset. I only look at the pattern, guys. That's the only thing I look at, right? I gave you an analysis back in like early January, I think, right? Late December, saying like we're gonna hit 11,000. Sucker was like 2,000, guys. That was that's nearly over 5x move right here. You know, 500% move, guys. We're definitely gonna hit target, guys. Okay. And I got another target up to 50,000. Okay, during the bull run, right? Beautiful breakout, guys. That's a big breakout right here. That's a big divergence with a wedge pattern. So how do you spell it? Wabi? Yeah, HT. I haven't analyzed this sucker like for a very long time. I think we used to have somebody called somebody named Midas. I used to love this coin. Yeah, that's haven't analyzed it like for I mean, I can't even remember last time I checked this chart, right? But the chart pattern hasn't changed, right? So it is likely to go much higher, guys. So could hit the $100 very soon. It looks like a CHZ, right? I think CHZ, right? We're gonna take a look at CHZ BTC. Yep, but hit 1-to-1 extension, $31 next, right here. 1.618 extension going to be $100, basically confirming, you know, what I just said. We could pump to over $100. CHZ BTC. So CHZ BTC, what we said back then was like accumulated $100 to 150, but we got the breakout to the downside. But it is about it is almost above accumulation range, so target hasn't changed up to 300 sats, right? So No, I haven't talked about NFT. I will look into the NFT. Maybe like, you know, with all these crypto gains, you can basically pick some of them and then just huddle them for the next bull market. Cheese bit. Thanks a lot, Clinton. Okay, that's good for Ether if they're gonna be burning some Ethers. But I'm not a fundamental guys, so I just stick to the chart, man. Whether they're gonna be burning some Ethers or they're gonna be inflating Ethers, I don't care. I just stick to my chart, right? Yeah, let's go. Lisk is just consolidating. It's gonna be breaking out pretty much similar to ICX. Same charting, same type of charts, right? You can do the same charting on both of them. Okay, it is likely to break out. So it is likely to retest right here, which is like 1500 sats. So you're looking for another potential 100 to 200% move from Lisk right here. Yeah, for one BTC, join our public Telegram group. You can just check the pin. When you join the public Telegram group, just check the pin messages, okay? For instance, like, let me just show you really quickly. So when you, I just got a Carlos Chavez XRP proposal, and okay, just when you join the public Telegram group, right? I think you guys can check the pin messages, right? Just click on the top right corner right here, and you can see all the pin messages, right? All the targets and all of that good stuff. So one is right here, right? You got one chain target up to 2,800, right here. So, and then you can see all the other targets and all of that good stuff, all these videos and all the good stuff, right? So guys, if you just join, make sure to hit the likes, right? Forget to hit the likes. Hit the likes, hit the likes, hit the likes. Make sure it is blue. If it is not blue, it means you did not hit the likes. Walton broke out as expected. It is above like 2000, right, to 2200, right? It already pumped like nearly 350, so that's exactly what we said last time. So it is just consolidating. Could drop all the way down to 150 again, right, for another support. So still on a potential breakout pattern. Okay, yeah, that's what I told you last time when Walton was, I think, right here. We said we're gonna be breaking out, right? Already got the parabolic signature move. Bang. So make it blue, guys, make it blue. And I keep the lights on. Make it blue, guys, and pump all these altcoins. Gonna be pumping. I'm not gonna pump them, but make it blue, guys. And we're gonna basically take it to the moon. Yeah, low sell volume right here. So Walton, it is still bullish. Let's go back to BTC, guys. Let's go back to BTC. Yeah, BNB is pretty volatile right now to be messing with it. BCH. So 55,000, guys, looking pretty juicy. Wedge pattern. Let's see, guys. Let's see if like we're gonna break above 60,000. I make it blue. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. So BTC, guys, once again, if you just join what we said, if you just basically join our live stream, what we said was like, you know, we already broke resistance right here, 53, right? Next upside target, it is going to be 59 to 61. Okay, 8-hour flip bullish right here. It never flipped bearish. Okay, it did quite. Okay, it didn't quite flip bearish. The volume was pretty low, so right here, low volume, bull flag. It is bullish. Okay, so we're just gonna stay with the trend, and then we're gonna be looking for 60,000 range, right? 10% move. So BLZ, somebody just asked about BLZ, so it's still correcting. I'm bullish on BLZ. It is still correcting, right? So BTC is pretty strong. So once we get BTC to cool off, it is likely to break out, right? Be careful checking out random coins, man. Like, you know, I don't check random coins. You got 8,000 coins, like, you know, random coins gonna get you wrecked, or gonna get me wrecked, whatever. Cute them. Yeah, Qtum is still moving. Let's see, 6 hour. Yeah, 6 hour already crossed bullish. We got the wedge pattern already broke out. So the worst case scenario is like we just get a double bottom right here with a potential channel with a breakout. Okay, with a potential breakout. But the bullish pattern is there. It doesn't have to do all of that good stuff. It can just pump to the upside straight up. Might not need to do any complex correction right here. So 4.8 was our previous target. Buy range was like right here, like 3.234 range, and we upgraded it up to basically $8. It hit like 8.5, right? Similar to Omizago, right? Same setup. We were bullish on both of them, like right here, late January, 3.4, 3.5. So NEO is basically correcting $44-50 range. That was our target. So the move right here, it is a breakout. It is likely to go higher. Okay, it is not a correction. What I mean, like the move we got right here, it might not be part of the correction right here. It could be the start of a new move to the upside, right? You see what I'm saying? Just like BTC, if you go ahead and take a look at BTC, that's one of the reasons why I was saying like we might not be dropping, because we got a 2-day bullish engulfing candle right here on a 2-day basis. Okay, if you watch my previous analysis, right, I showed you right here. What I said was like we got a 2-day breakout right here, wedge pattern, another 2-day breakout right here. You see what I'm saying? So the move right here wasn't part of the correction, okay, because it wasn't slow. You see what I'm saying? It was pretty fast. So it looked, you know, that's why we were bullish. So most people have been saying, oh, we hit 50K right now, it is time to pull back. Like, you know, the market cares. I'm telling you, man, these suckers. Okay, so it is time to pull back. 50K, we're likely to hit a, you know, 42, 43, and then we're gonna go up. BTC doesn't work that way, man. Thanks a lot, K-Slay. Guys, all you have to do, right, make sure to share, right, in your other public Telegram group, like, okay, and basically tweet it. That's all you have to do, right? And basically we're gonna hit our target 10,000 sub or higher. I mean, LTC is so slow, it's not moving, and all of that good stuff. Crit, that's the same thing most people have been saying with BNB, and I kept saying, don't sell your BNB. When this sucker start moving, it's gonna move very fast. LTC, it is just moving. It's not slow, man. Like, I don't know what you guys want, but it's up like almost 100% over the last 30 days, 60 days. So, you know, it's, I mean, sucker is so jewelish. Like right now, we on a 2-day basis, we just broke above resistance right here. Guys, look at LTC was like 130. Our target was 250. We already hit our target, and we got another target to the upside, right? So forget about this arrow before you guys say, oh, Send Crypto say we're gonna dump. We're not gonna dump. I'm on LTC long, right? So our target was right, our entry target was right here, okay, 125, 134, right here. Before the breakout, we said it can drop down to like 143, right? Guys, you get one of the best analysis with Send Crypto. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, sucker is so bullish right here. I'm telling you, man, once we break above this $250, $300 range, it is gonna say goodbye. You're gonna try to buy me at $300. You might never see me at $300 again. Okay, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. Kind of like a BNB type of pump. You did not buy it at $50. It pumped $100. You're waiting for $50. Sucker go all the way up to $500. Okay, so it's not yet at 500, but you get what I mean, right? So it's gonna move 10x from the point you wait, you know, from the point you're supposed to buy it at, right? Same thing with XRP and LTC. Sucker is very bullish right here. Okay, it is very, I'm telling you, man, it's very bullish, man. This sucker is so bullish, man. I think it is more bullish than VeChain, right? It is more bullish than BNB. It is more bullish than Tezos right now. I'm not supposed to say that, right? but LTC is very bullish, man. It is very bullish. Beautiful correction, man. Right here. It all started right here. That's your signature move. If you can find this pattern, right, that's it. That's all you need. You know we're gonna get a parabolic move. Okay, you know we're gonna get a parabolic move after this. Okay, if you go back and check BNB, I told you guys when BNB was like $30, $40, $30, $40. You know, we got some people who basically sold at $44, man. Right here, that's a parabolic signature right here. Told you guys, I'm one of the best, guys. I'm not the best, but I'm one of the best. Told you guys, right here, we're bullish. It can drop down right here, 34, great, it's okay. Right here, we're bullish. It can drop back down, 36, it is okay. It can even retest like 32, 34, it is okay, right? However, guys, if we break above this range, you might not see $40 BNB again, okay? I mean, not ever, but anytime soon, right? So that's the same signature move we got on Litecoin right now. Same signature move, right? Same signature move, right? Right here. Right here. Right here, right? Above a breakout pattern. So the entire move right here, it is a parabolic move, really. It's just slow, but it is a parabolic move. Very bullish, man. Sucker is very bullish. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man. Let's check Litecoin on the macro scale. Yep, you see, that was our target entry right there. 122, 123. Okay. 134, it pumped to 140, 160 actually, somewhere around here. Drop back down to 143. We say buy it. We said to buy it. It's gonna pump to 225 to 250, and after that, we're gonna take it to the upside, right? It is still a good hold. Any dips right now, it is just going to be add-on, not a sell. But let's take a look at the macro scale, right? Yeah, you take a look at the macro scale on the 3 weeks time frame. If you're calling if you're calling like a Litecoin slow, it is because you did not buy right here. Okay, you did not hold any Litecoin when Litecoin was like $40. Because we were bullish on Litecoin when Litecoin was $53, guys, at the very bottom. Okay, November. Okay, that's when we said sucker gonna be pumping. November, guys, $53. The reason why I remember was like, because we had the same setup, Litecoin and Sushi. Sushi was 53 cents, Litecoin was $53. Guys, Sushi right now, what, guys? $14, $15. Okay? That's like what, 30x. Okay? So you could expect Litecoin above $1,500, guys. So it is not slow, man. You're just watching the lower time frame too much, right? That's why. But if you pay attention to the 50-day cycle, you can see like Litecoin is not slow. It is not slow at all, guys. You already broke out, right? You already broke out. So you're looking for like almost 23.50 right here. It is not slow. Shall we sell Ether? I mean, I can tell you what to do, right? But best thing to do, I would say, just hold. I mean, is LTC Ether a good buy? I mean, it is a good buy in the long run, right? In this bull market, once Ether hits you know, 10K, most likely Litecoin will steal the show after that. I mean, Litecoin is not going to be at, you know, you're not going to be buying Litecoin $250 to $100 when Ether is at 10K. You most likely be buying Litecoin over $2,000 anyway, right? So yeah, I don't think like trying to increase your Ether holding on the long run, it is not ideal. Like short term, yes, you know, this alt pumping versus Ether like 10%, 15%, yes. But if you're trying to hold an alt to beat Ether like for the next 2 years or something like that, it might not work. You see what I'm saying? Because most of these alt, they 90% down anyway versus Ether. So any gains they get from versus Ether, they're gonna lose it next bear market. So you just have to trade them like a short term, but you have to basically be very disciplined. I mean, XRP, it is still a hold. I mean, it is still a hold. The chart doesn't look good. XRP BTC, I think it is the most important chart to look at. Okay, XRP BTC. I mean, it doesn't work that way. Which coin basically looks like a BNB in terms of charting. They all looks the same. They all look the same. They all. I talked about it back in December, so they all look the same. XRP USD, it's not going to do anything as long as XRP BTC is bearish. So looking at XRP USD is basically a waste of time, really. Like, it's like you have to basically pay attention to XRP BTC. As long as XRP BTC is bearish, XRP USD is not going to do nothing, zero, nada. So going back to the BTC pairing, like Ether BTC, why Ether BTC is not breaking out right now is like because Ether USD is not breaking out. You see what I'm saying? Ether USD right here. Okay, so Ether USD, it is still moving sideways. It is going to break out, hopefully like this double bottom. That's what I was waiting for over the weekend, not over the weekend, but the last couple of days, to break above the 4-hour 21 EMA and 6-hour 21 EMA and do not break down. But it is retesting the you know, this range right here, so it is likely to create a potential either triple bottom. It can either triple bottom right here, or it can basically get a bull flag right here and break out to the upside, right? That's why Ether is not breaking out. You see what I'm saying? So most people don't understand why you know, some of these coins are not breaking out. Okay, but have to be very patient. Ether is bullish. It is moving up slow because it is dropping versus BTC. That's the only reason. And I showed you guys before right here. Before, you know, Ether was at 750. Ether was not breaking out. 750, 725, 750, you know, 730, 750, 710, right? And BTC was breaking out to the upside. But I told you, if Ether hits basically right here, it's gonna break out. Okay, so we just have to wait for confirmation right here to break above this range, right? And then we're gonna, you know, look for Ether to break above 2500 even, right? That's 20% move, so we could break above 2211, 2350. All right, guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. It's almost like 2 hours of live stream, so pretty not tired, but I'm not tired, but just have to take a break and see what BTC gonna give us if we're gonna hit 60K. And I'm gonna update you guys regarding the 50-day cycle, right? Hopefully tonight, because candle gonna open tonight, right? After daily candle close, we're gonna, you know, start a fresh 50-day cycle, and we're gonna try to strategize and see how we're gonna be trading BTC over the next 50 days, because we could see 100K BTC, guys, over the next 50 days, okay? If not, we could see before the summer, right? So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, man. Make sure to hit the likes, subscribe, right? Hit the notification, join my public Telegram group, right? If you're looking to join my premium, you know exactly what to do, okay? So you can join my premium for those 1000% gain, okay? You only get those moves from Send Crypto, okay? If you want 1000% gain, 10,000% gain, make sure to join my premium group, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.